In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your Canva designs. Adding music can transform your visual projects by providing them with an emotional or upbeat lift. Whether you're preparing a birthday card, a promotional video, or anything in between, integrating sound can make all the difference. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, make your way to the Canva website and log into your account. Now, if you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, which is a fairly straightforward process. Once you're logged in, we're going to start by selecting a template, which you can easily find on the homepage, or by searching through the template library. Choose one that fits your project's theme, like a birthday or a corporate design. After you've chosen your desired template, click on Customize this template. This will open it up for you to start working your magic. Now, to add that audio element, glance over at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu panel there. Find the audio icon and click on it. This will reveal Canva's library of sounds. To make sure you're getting the best value, you might want to filter the results by price. Under the settings, go to the price section and check the free box. This ensures you're seeing audio tracks that won't cost you anything to use. Once you've set that up, type in the kind of audio you're looking for. Do you want something cheerful? Perhaps something more dramatic? Enter keywords that reflect the mood you're aiming for and browse through the results. Once you've found a track that feels just right, drag it over to your design. It's as simple as that. After it's on your design, you can adjust the audio to perfectly suit your preferences. Canva allows you to trim the track's length or determine which part of the audio plays. You can preview your entire design by pressing the play button located at the top right corner. Happy with how it looks and sounds? Great! It's time to share your masterpiece. Head to the Share button and then locate the download icon. Click on that, and you'll want to set the file type to MP4, as this format supports both audio and visual components. Once you've done that, hit Download, and Canva will process your request. And there you have it. Your Canva design now has its very own soundtrack, ready to impress your viewers or celebrate a special occasion. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to bring your designs to life with music.